Okay, you guys, we are starting with a half cup of all natural peanut butter, and I went ahead and did the unsalted as well. Now we're gonna grab yourself a banana. Ooh, you like that, Pete? We have a special guest today. We have Peter. Peter is on our show. Hi, Peter, how are you today? So we are making Peter some snacks here. So we started off with a half a cup of peanut butter
and 2 bananas.
All right, now you wanna grab some oats. I am using steel cut oats. Peter, are those okay for you? Are those steel cut oats okay for you? I like the steel cut oats because, oh look, he likes them, because they are smaller. So that is what I'm going with. Any oats will do. You can use quick oats. I don't know, I was even thinking, would you use gluten-free oats? Tell me what kind of oats you would use. Look at that, those 3 ingredients, you guys. All right, Peter, look at that. You got a little bit of a thing on your nose there. We're gonna come in here and we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna start to mix all of that together. We're mixing together the banana, the oats, and the peanut butter. Super easy, Peter, you're gonna love these. Okay, you guys, that looks great. Everything is mixed up, and look at how easy that was. We're gonna go ahead and slide our baking sheet right in here, and all we're gonna do is we are gonna start to scoop out just these little balls of these delicious little doggy treats. Okay, we are just finishing up here, and look, Peter just couldn't help himself. He is trying to grab a bite of this, and I almost want to let him give it a try, but we have to make him wait, right? We have to make him wait. Peter, you have to wait for the main reveal. That's part of it, right? Okay, I'm gonna take a spoon just like this and just lightly just spray it with a little bit of olive oil just so it doesn't stick. And then watch out, be careful, Peter. And I'm just gonna push these down so we're making little doggy biscuits here. So we're just gonna push down the center, kind of flattening that out a little bit. Oh, you're excited about these, aren't you? I know. Yes. I don't blame you. Look at, he said that he's super, super excited about this. Don't you wait now. We just have to put these in the oven, you guys. Once you have these all smashed down into your little cookies, hold your horses. They're gonna be done in no time, Peter. We gotta stick them in the oven at 300 degrees for 20 minutes and then stick around because Peter is going to dress up for his special event. Oh my gosh. All right, Peter, are you ready for this? Look at, he dressed up for the occasion, you guys. He is super stoked. Look, he's not even gonna wait. He's just gonna pick, are you just gonna pick that one right off? All right, you guys, look at that. It is a winner. He says, do you hear him? Oh yeah, he says he loves these 3 ingredient dog treats that are super easy to make. They're even people friendly too if you really wanted to. How do you like those? Look at you guys, his tucks. I mean, seriously. Look at how cute he is. Can we get some comments for Peter? You guys share with us some pictures of your animals. We want to hear all about it. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for joining. Oh my gosh.